Alright guys, so this is a different unboxing. I just ordered some new Nikes and I wanted to share with you a quick unboxing. It's different because usually I post only about computers on my channel, but yeah, you know, it's my channel, so I can post and separate my videos in different playlists. So yeah, I just got a great deal for some new sneakers, some new shoes, and I wanted just to share my honest opinion. I just received them. Maybe someone is interested about this particular model and wants to get a close-up look. All right, so the model is Nike Court Vision Mid. They are white. This is the box. The box unfortunately arrived already damaged. I usually keep the boxes to store my sneakers because I think they are really cool boxes, but yeah, not too big damage. I can fix this. Yeah, and let's open. Basic Nike box. These are the shoes. They look very good, decent. um, they are pretty rigid. uh, they have like a sprinkle effect, a black sprinkle effect on the bottom part. White Nike logo, white Nike writing here, not a single drop of black anywhere, black paint, you know, but they look good. Yeah, I'm delighted. They look really nice. I got a great deal on these sneakers. I think approximately 50 US dollars or even lower, I think. Yeah, 50. Yeah, 50 US dollars. Yeah. Of course, made with at least 20% recycled content. This is, yeah, not, I don't have a very good opinion about this, but yeah, it's a good thing to recycle, but stop branding it everywhere. It should be basic common sense to recycle what we can recycle. All right, so this was the short unboxing. The shoes are nice and I can't wait to wear them. All right, until next time, keep in touch.